In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the row height in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project or simply tidying up your spreadsheets, knowing how to adjust the row height can make your sheet look much more professional and easier to navigate. Let's get started and walk through this quick process together. First, you'll want to begin by clicking on the row number on the left-hand side of the sheet. This is where you can specifically select the row you intend to adjust. Once you've clicked on the row, turn your attention to the horizontal dividers. These are the lines that separate the various rows from one another across the sheet. What you're looking for is the divider that sits directly between the row you've selected and the row just beneath it. Now, hover your mouse cursor over this divider line. You'll notice that the cursor changes to a symbol that looks like a horizontal line with arrows pointing up and down. This icon is your cue that you can start adjusting the height. Go ahead and click on the divider. As you hold down your mouse button, you can begin to drag the divider up or down. Moving it upwards will decrease the row height, while dragging it downwards will increase it, giving you control over the exact spacing you need for your text or data. But what if you don't want to manually adjust every single row height? If you're looking for a way to smartly auto-fit the height based on the content within, Google Sheets makes this just as simple. This is a great tip when you have varying text lengths or data that need just the right amount of space. To auto-adjust the row height, you'll want to head back to that same divider we talked about earlier. But this time, instead of dragging it, you'll just perform a double click on the divider. By doing this, Google Sheets will automatically resize the row height to fit the tallest content within that row perfectly. And that's really all there is to it. You've now mastered how to change and auto-adjust row heights in Google Sheets. This simple yet effective skill will help you keep your spreadsheets looking clean and organized, whether you're drafting budgets, scheduling events, or managing larger data sets. Remember, manipulating row heights efficiently can make a significant difference in the clarity and accessibility of your information. So next time you're working in Google Sheets, don't hesitate to take advantage of these features. They really make the data management experience smoother and allow you to present your information in the best light possible. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy spreadsheeting.